Now children, today let's start with chapter number 3, our clothes. So in this chapter, we will study about clothes. You all wear clothes, right? What clothes helps us? They protect us from heat, cold, rain and insects, right? And clothes makes us what? Smart and look good, right? So in this chapter, let's study about the different types of clothes. We wear clothes according to the season also. Like we have 3 types of season: monsoon, summer, winter and monsoon season. Winter season, it's a cold season. What do we wear? We wear woolen clothes, right? Then we have summer season, it's very hot. What do we wear? Cotton clothes. If we talk about monsoon season, we wear clothes made up of rubber, like raincoat, gumboots, so that they helps us to remain dry. Now let's study about the different clothes worn in different season. A quick review I have given. We will study it in a broad way. Uniforms and national dresses. Now importance of clothes. As you all know, we all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from cold, heat, sun and rain. Clothes also protect us from germs and dust. What do men wear? Men wear shirts, trouser, coats, etc. And what do women wear? Sari, blouse, salwar suit, and children wear shorts, skirts, frock, etc. Wearing a set of washed and iron clothes makes us look smart and handsome. So let's study about the social reality over here. You can see the children's in the image, they are wearing different types of colorful clothes over here. So why do we wear clothes according to the season? Why? Because if we talk about winter season, it is very cold. So we have to keep our body warm. If we talk about summer season, it's very hot. There is too much sweats that come out from our body. To absorb sweat, what we wear? Cotton clothes. Now let's study about the different clothes worn in different season. So first is cotton clothes. When do we wear cotton clothes? In summer season. What they help us in? They keeps us cool. And they protect us from heat. And from where do you get cotton? From cotton plants, which is plucked from the cotton pods or plugs. Then cotton, it is spun into thread and woven into clothes at the mills. Then we have jute clothes. From where do you get jute? From jute plants, right? And what we make from jute? Gunny bags, socks, canvas and many things. Then we have silk clothes. Basically, you know about from where do we get silk? We get silk from the cocoon of silkworm, right? It is dyed in beautiful light colors and woven into clothes, and silk clothes are light in weight. How is the silk clothes? They are very light in weight. Next is woolen clothes. So woolen clothes, they are soft, warm, and when do we wear woolen clothes? In winter season. They keeps us warm. Like sweaters, shawls, suits, and your blankets and scarf. They all are made up of wool. From where do you get wool? From, we have natural fiber. Basically, we have 2 types of fibers, that is natural and artificial. Natural fibers are the fibers that are that we get from plants and animals. Like from plants, we get cotton and from jute, like from animals, we get what? From plants, we get cotton and jute, and from animals, what we get? Silk and wool. The fibers that are found naturally from plants and animals are called natural fiber. Then we have artificial fiber, which are man-made. Who have made them? Men. Like nylon, terraline, and rayon. What are these? These are artificial fiber or synthetic fiber, right? They are durable. It is easier to wash and iron them. Next topic, that is uniform. We wear uniform according to our profession also, and school going children like you all. When you go to school, what do you wear? We wear school uniform, and anyone can resemble that he or she is a school going child. So uniform are the special dresses people wear uniform at their workplace, like police, soldiers, student, advocates, doctor, postman, pilot, nurses. What they all wear uniform, right? By seeing at the policeman, like if he's in a normal clothes, you cannot judge him that he's a policeman. But when he's wearing his uniform, you easily judge according to their uniform that he belongs to which profession. Like हम इजिली पुलिसमैन को पहचान जाता है कि पुलिसमैन है, नर्स है, डॉक्टर है, पोस्टमैन है. सो uniform also make people what unique. You must have traveled in the railway train. Have you noticed the railway attendant with the smart uniform? Then we have national dresses, which is worn according to the different country. So people of different countries wear their own distinct clothes. These clothes have their national costume like Japanese, Scottish and Chinese. What are these? These are their national costumes. So in this chapter, I have told you about the different types of clothes, right? And clothes that we wear according to the season. Then what is uniform? Hope you understood each and every topic. Hope you understood each and every topic. Now you will go at your home and revise the chapter again. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for watching with me. Keep learning, keep enjoying.